Kajing shah pyniap desman way orang ba kirunal dak bakrai clear ba di kabla lap hakapung umnyam dang menen kasi kabadang lap yakamet kabla tap tang dap lukom katkom kajing itu Davis NR marak DIG bakat hadu menta ki pulit gidang pelong kajing tuat di kirunal shushu ulai tu ba arngut ki paralok ki bla Suba ba dan khatduh berundi bla shah pyniap ki miki arngut ki paralok jungu ki pulit kimpat lap dien hadu menta.
It was initially, this body was found in pyniap, and initially only parts of the body were found initially. So later when these parts, body parts were found, it was initially registered as a unnatural death because the cause of death was not ascertained at that point of time. So yesterday the post-mortem of this body has been done in Suba, and later during the preliminary investigation we got to know that initially a missing report was filed on the 3rd of March regarding this person. It was filed in Rumlingji police station, and this person was supposedly missing from the 26th of last month, but the missing report was filed only on the 3rd. Rumlingji police station, they were following up, and when they actually followed up, they got to know that this person was last seen with two of his friends who were supposedly maybe drunk or something. So once we have got to know about this case, now this zero FIR was initially registered after this unnatural death has been established that it is a case of murder. So a zero FIR has been filed. A zero FIR is basically when it is an FIR is filed in jurisdiction of another police station, then it is called a zero FIR. So a zero FIR was filed in Rumlingji police station, and that case is being transferred to Rumlingji police station. So once this case is registered, Rumlingji police station will kick it up because that zero FIR is being registered and is being transferred to Rumlingji police station. As of now, however, unfortunately, those two suspects who were last seen with the victim, they are absconding as of now. So we are trying our best to find it.
Has this person been identified?
Yes, he has been identified.
These are linked to any election last last.
That we cannot rule out at this stage because unless we are able to get the two suspects who were last seen with him and we are able to arrest them and maybe interrogate them, then facts will become clear.